Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Lon channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it so now so that you can be a part of this growing family. We are now officially 8,074 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. I love you all. Okay, so ang pag-usapan po natin ay with regards to yung dalawang congressman or representatives natin, no? Si Migs Nograles na isang PBA party list representative, no? Parang atleta yun no? Pambansang parang atleta, no? This is a party representing the athletes, okay? If I'm not mistaken. Si Migs Nograles. Okay. Now, pero taga Davao po yan, ha? Ang kanyang amain ay naging speaker, naging representative din po yan. Si Pulong Duterte po ay isang congressman naman. Si Pulong Duterte po ay isang congressman diyan sa Davao City. If I'm not mistaken, 3rd District ng Davao. Anak po yan ng dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa unang asawa niya na si Zimmerman. Okay? So, kapatid po yan ng ating Vice President Sara Duterte at ang mayor ng Davao City na si Baste Duterte. Okay? Medyo may may issue sila with regards to DSWD funds diyan sa Davao City. Okay? Now, si Davao City 3rd District Representative Paulo Duterte o Pulong Duterte ay talagang tinanggi, no? Ang claim ng PBA Party List Representative Margarita Nograles or Migs Nograles yung concerning dun sa pondo ng Department of Social Welfare and Development, DSWD, no? Kasi sabi ni Congressman Pulong Duterte, wala siyang karason-rason na pigilin, no, o i-delay what is meant for the people, no? Kasi in my few years as a congressman here in Davao, sabi nga niya, ay especially during the pandemic, everyone knows about the aid we distributed, which exceeded what the current administration provided, including my personal funds. No? Grabe, no? Including the personal funds. Usually, these congressmen and women ay hindi nila ginagalaw yung mga personal funds nila. No? Puros government funds. Okay? Now, sabi ni Pulong Duterte, talagang ini-stress niya na ang kanyang opisina ay never claimed that DSWD lack funds. Wala sa kanila yon, no? So instead, it is my office that DSWD has ceased to release funds to. Walang pondo. And we have consistently communicated this to the people of Davao City and apologize for the situation. No? There is no black propaganda in that. Sabi niya kay Madam Congressman, kay Migs Nograles na anak ng dating speaker na si Nograles, no? So sabi ni Duterte, you all know the current situation. This is not a fake news. You can verify it in the DSWD records themselves. Di ba yung sa DSWD, automated na yan computerized na yan ang ating pagkakaalam dahil si Rex Gatchalian, na DSWD secretary ngayon, ay galing naman Valenzuela City at ito ay known for being an automated city, no? Sabi ni Duterte, it is clear now that there has been an exaggeration. Exage lang pala ito mga to, no? It is clear now that the money meant for the people is being used for politics. This is detrimental to our fellow men. So I just ask that if we are here to help, let's just help. Don't politicize this because it's hard on the people and the election is still far off. I also never forget, Madam Congresswoman, that you were victorious during my father's time, despite everything that happened back then. Right? Talaga naman, si Nograles ay talaga namang kaalyado at kapartido ng mga Duterte noong mga panahon na ito ay mga pagkapangulo pa. No? So again, I ask we simply do our job for the people, especially in Davao City, dahil parehas naman kayong taga Davao. Bakit kayo kailangan magkontrahan? Dapat magtulungan kayo for the sake of Davao people. Ay lang problema kay PBA Party List Migs Nograles ay national siya. At the same time, ay talaga parang leaning na siya or kakampi na siya ng Marcos administration. Since she is a part of the majority led by the Speaker of the House, Martin Romualdez. No? So sabi pa ni Pulong Duterte na talagang tinatawagan niya ng pansin ang kanyang beloved Davaoenos to approach the PBA party list for medical and financial needs because they are disbursing government funds. Ngayon, si Congresswoman Migs Nograles, Attorney Migs Nograles, siya ay malapit sa kusina. No? Etong mga perang ito belongs to the people. It's yours. So make good use of it, he pointed out. Sabi ni Pulong Duterte with regards to that. No? Kayo po ba? Kung kayo ay tatanungin, nasan na po ba ang pondo ng DSWD? May control po ba si dating Deputy Speaker, no? Pulong Duterte, dating di ba majority floor leader ba si Pulong Duterte? Pero napaka-powerful nito noong mga panahon ng Pangulong Duterte. Okay? Nasa kanya ba o pinipigilan niya ba o ang pondo ngayon ay nasa DSWD na at ang pondo bang ngayon ay nasa DSWD or kay Migs Nograles? Ano po sa palagay nyo? No? Kung kayo ang tatanungin. O sige po ha. Hanggang dito na lang po mga kaibigan ko. Maraming salamat po. Pero ano po kaya ang plano ng mga Duterte sa mga pagkakataong ito? No? Nagkakaipitan na. Ano po ba ang plano ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte, si Pulong Duterte, si Baste Duterte, no? Si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte, dating Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte ay tatakbo bilang mayor o senador. Si Pulong Duterte po ba mag-vice mayor po ba ulit yan o tatakbo bilang senador ng Pilipinas? Si Baste Duterte po ba ay tatakbo bilang senador at the same time later on pagdating ng 2028 ay siya ang tatakbo na bilang presidente ng Pilipinas instead of his ate na si Vice President Sara Duterte. No? So Vice President Sara Duterte po ba ay tatakbo bilang mayor pagdating ng 2028 diyan sa Davao City instead of running as a president of the Republic of the Philippines. Kayo ba yan? Anong gusto nyong mangyari sa kanila? Sige po, hanggang dito na lang po mga kaibigan ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ito nga po pala si #WalkWithLan Channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.